Vanakkam, I am Bala and welcome back to Tamil Wellness Journey. Do you often feel tired or drained no matter how much sleep you get? Today I'm excited to share a powerful natural remedy that can help you fight fatigue and feel more energized. Meet Rhodiola. Rhodiola is a hardy herb that grows in the cold mountains of Asia and Europe. It's been used for centuries to help the body resist physical and mental stress. Rhodiola is known for boosting energy, enhancing mood, and reducing symptoms of fatigue. But how does it work? Rhodiola is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress by balancing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals that keep you happy and energized. Have you ever heard of Rhodiola before? Let me know in the comments below how you use it. If not, no worries. I'm here to guide you. Rhodiola can improve exercise performance, increase stamina, and enhance mental clarity. Imagine having the energy to tackle a busy day, a workout, or just feeling good throughout the day. Naturally, you can take Rhodiola as a supplement in capsule or powder form. Start with a small dose and gradually increase it. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have any medical conditions. What do you think? Are you ready to give Rhodiola a try and say goodbye to constant fatigue? Share your thoughts below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, follow our channel, and tap the bell icon for more natural health tips. Nandri, Vanakkam. See you in the next video.